Hello everyone, today we will be continuing the topic statically determinate and indeterminate structure. Today we will be discussing some numericals also. First of all, in previous lecture we have discussed about the internal indeterminacy of rigid frame. In that case, I have told you about the internal hinge when there is a case of internal hinge in case of 2D rigid frames and for 3D rigid frames. So we have learned about that. Now today the example for internal hinge. Suppose you are seeing this frame. Here is the case of internal hinge. Here are two members that are joining at a internal hinge here. Okay. Now this is one member. This is one member. This is the internal hinge. Okay. So at internal hinge, the equation you know that the bending moment at C, this point is C, so bending moment at C is 0. So this is the additional equation we know. So hence one internal force MC is released. So there one equation is released here. So this is the additional equation we know. So for that there is a formula that I have told you that it is the formula that based on summation of for calculating RR. It is summation of m dash minus 1. Okay. It is summation of m dash minus 1. So we will put the values here. For putting the value, RR will be number of reactions released will be that will be 2 minus 1, it equals to 1. Now let's see the second case. In second case there is an internal hinge with roller. Internal hinge with roller. In this case there are two additional equations. One, in that case, suppose if there is a horizontal force, then this roller will not resist this movement. So therefore axial force is released, and bending moment is released. So axial force is 0 and bending moment will be 0. So here are two equations, therefore the RR value will be 2 here. Okay. Now in this case, if there is a vertical roller, in that case what we will see? In that case we have earlier discussed that if this is the case when the rollers are vertically, then in this case shear force is 0. So this is the therefore number of reaction released will be 1. And when the now see this, in this case this is the fourth one. In this case here one internal hinge is here and one internal hinge is here. So for calculating the number of reaction released, for this it will be, for calculating the RR, it is summation of m dash minus 1. So here summation, first of all we will calculate for this in, it will be 2 minus 1, then it is summation, then for second one will be 3 minus 1. So it will be 1 plus 2, that is 3. So number of reaction release will be 3. So this is how you calculate. You can see that RR for 1 is this, for 2 is 2, the total is 3. So this is the formula that you need to remember, and where m dash is the number of members meeting at the hybrid joint. Okay. Hence for degree of statical indeterminacy, internal indeterminacy can be written as 3c minus summation of m dash minus 1, and in case of 3D 6c minus summation of 3 times m dash minus 1. Okay. Here c is the number of closed loop that I have already discussed. For overall static indeterminacy, the formula will be external plus internal, that is dSE plus dSi. Okay. Now the alternative approach is that TS is equal to total number of unknowns forces external plus internal minus total equation of equilibrium. The formula will be m plus Re minus 2. It is nothing but, in case of we have discussed that dSE external is Re external reaction minus number of equation of equilibrium. These are the equation of equilibrium. Okay. Now and ds I have discussed that dSi is equal to 3 times C minus summation of what, m dash minus 1. This is the formula based on, for this is the case of rigid case, but So for calculating the degree of static indeterminacy for a 2D truss, the formula will be ds is equal to dse external plus the internal. So in case of truss, the external was, as you remember that for dse externally it was r external reaction minus internal equation of equilibrium. Okay, so in now the dsi will be, for internally it was number of members, number of equation will be equal to number of members minus the equation of equilibrium. Total was 2d minus 3 and 3 for external reaction. This was the formula. Now put these equation in the total formula. Overall static indeterminacy will be, first of all, external plus internal reaction, number of unknown reaction, that will be Re plus M, that will be M plus Re, member plus number of reaction, external reaction, minus internal equilibrium equation required, equation of equilibrium Rr will be, in case of truss will be 3, so externally it will be 3 and internally will be minus 2j plus 3. As you open this bracket, it will be minus 2j plus 3. So 3 get cancelled and the formula becomes m plus re minus 2j. So this is that formula which I was talking about. So this is nothing but this has been derived from this part of external plus internal. And in that case, j is the number of joint and r is the number of external reaction. If ds equal to 0, then the truss is statically determinate. If ds is greater than 0, then truss is statically indeterminate. So if ds is less than 0, then truss is statically unstable. So this thing you know. Now in case of, this is not that important, space truss, for 3D case you know that it 3 times the joint will be there in this formula. In 2D rigid frames, now we are talking about rigid frame, then in case of rigid frame, the when all joints are rigid. So rigid frame में ये 3m कहाँ से आया? ये 3m क्यों आता है? बिकॉज हमने बताया था आपको कि जो भी रिजिड फ्रेम्स होता है 2D स्ट्रक्चर की बात करें तो हर फ्रेम में 3 अननोन फोर्सेज होती हैं, दैट इज शेयर फोर्स, बेंडिंग मोमेंट एंड एक्सियल फोर्स की बात करेंगे हम इसमें। तो तीनों की समीशन एफ एक्स, समीशन एफ वाई और मोमेंट तीनों अवेलेबल हो सकते हैं। तो 3 टाइम्स द मेंबर आर द नंबर ऑफ अननोन फोर्सेज प्लस आर ई माइनस 3 टाइम्स द जॉइंट। एवरी जॉइंट पे कितना होगा? 3 टाइम्स 2D rigid frame, the formula becomes 3m plus re minus 3j. सो ये फॉर्मूला कैसे बना? ये फॉर्मूला भी ऐसे ही बना है, जैसे कि अगर हम रिजिड फ्रेम की बात करें तो हर रिजिड फ्रेम में, अभी जैसे मैंने बोला कि हर मेंबर में 3 टाइम्स द मेंबर नंबर ऑफ रिएक्शंस होंगे, नंबर ऑफ अननोन फोर्सेज होंगे, क्योंकि हर मेंबर पे या तो शेयर फोर्स हो सकते हैं, एक्सियल फोर्स हो सकता है और बेंडिंग मोमेंट भी हो सकता है। तो 3 टाइम्स द मेंबर नंबर ऑफ अननोन फोर्सेज हम इसमें निकाल सकते हैं। तो एक्सटर्नली कितनी हो जाएगी? एक्सटर्नल विल बी डी एस ई विल बी, एक्सटर्नल कितनी हो जाएंगी? आर ई माइनस आर। ये तो आपका एक्सटर्नल, ये तो सेम रहेगा। अब इंटरनली की बात करें सो डी एस आई विल बी एम 3 टाइम्स एम माइनस 2j नहीं होगा। अब क्या यहाँ पे हर जॉइंट पे कितना होता है? 3 इक्विलिब्रियम इक्वेशन, तो 3 टाइम्स द जॉइंट माइनस 3, ये नंबर ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम इक्वेशन हो जाएगी। तो ओवरऑल डिग्री ऑफ स्टैटिकल इंडिटरमिनेसी कितनी हो जाएगी? 3m प्लस आर ई एक्सटर्नल माइनस द टोटल नंबर ऑफ इक्वेशन ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम, तो कितनी हो जाएगी? r कितनी होगी? नंबर ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम इक्वेशन 3, दैट इज 3j minus 3j, 3 will get cancelled like this, then formula will become this. So this is the formula for 2D rigid frame. Okay, now we will discuss some numerical part. Now the numerical is given that for 2D truss shown in figure, find degree of static indeterminacy. So the truss is given like this. This is a hinge support, this is a hinge support and hinge support. So in this case, and this is the horizontal, one is horizontal reaction, suppose this is A, B and C. So it will be HA and RA, it will be RB and HB. This is RC and HC. So for that we have to calculate degree of static indeterminacy. For that the formula is ds is ds external plus dsi. For first of all you need the value of external indeterminacy, then internal indeterminacy. For that, for external indeterminacy, first of all you need to, the formula is for truss, external is R E minus R. This is external unknown reaction minus the equation of equilibrium. So the unknown reactions are 2, 2 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus the equilibrium equation you know is 3. This is the general loading case because there is no loading given. So that is 6 minus 3, 3. So you have calculated the value of external indeterminacy. Now the formula that I have told you, that is for internal static indeterminacy, was for a 2D truss, that is number of unknown reactions forces, नंबर अननोन फोर्सेस कितनी होंगी, जितने इसमें मेंबर होंगे, that is m, minus the available equilibrium equation, that was 2j minus 3. This was the formula I have told you. So number of members are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total number of members are 7 minus number of joints are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of joints are 5, so 2 times 5 minus 3. The formula will give you 7 minus 10 minus 3, that is 7, that is equal to, internally that is dsi is 0. So overall static indeterminacy formula will be dse, externally it is 3 plus 0. The formula, the ds for this structure is 3, and the formula that I have told you directly was, let me rub this. The formula directly that I have told you was, that is dse, ds is equal to, oh, that was the overall indeterminacy, m plus re minus 2j. Okay, now number of members are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus re, number of reaction 2, 2, 2, 6 minus 2 times the joints are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 joints, that is 2 times 5. Then 7 plus 6 is 13 minus 10 equals to 3. So अगर आप डायरेक्टली ये करते हैं तो भी 3 आएगा, अगर आप लॉन्ग मेथड स्टेप वाइज स्टेप चलेंगे तो भी आंसर 3 आएगा. So this is the case of 2D truss frame. Now the second question says that what is the total degree of static indeterminacy, both internal and external, of the cantilever plane truss shown in figure. So this is a truss. Okay, so these are the supports. So first of all you have to calculate both. You need to understand the question that both has to be, so directly you cannot go. You need to first calculate internal or external, both you have to show them. So here the reaction will be one this and one horizontal, one vertical and one horizontal. Okay, so 2 reactions here, 2 reaction here, and for that degree of static indeterminacy, the formula is ds external plus dsi internal. For dse, the formula is number of reactions, external unknown reactions minus the equilibrium equation, that is 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Now for internal, the formula is number of members. The formula you must remember, that is the unknown forces minus the number of equilibrium equation, 2j minus 3. This is the formula. So for members, calculate the members. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So number of members are 13. So the here put the value 13 minus joints. Now calculate the joints. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 2 times 7 minus 3. So formula will be 13 minus 7 to the 14 minus 3, that is 11. So 13 minus 11 comes 2. Okay. Now the overall static indeterminacy will be external plus internal. 1 plus 2, that is 3. Okay. Now I hope you guys will understand the difference. If the in question it has been asked to calculate internal and external both, then you have to go by this method. If in the numerical it has been asked to calculate the overall statical indeterminacy of the structure, then you must go directly. And for the directly, how will you go? The formula, you must know that the formula is, okay, the formula was D. First of all, select the pen here. ds equals to, the formula was m plus re minus number of equilibrium equation, that was 2j, that is m is 13 plus re are 4 minus joints are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that is 13 plus 4, that is 17 minus 14, that is 3. Then also it is coming 3, so that means that your formula is you applied the correct formula and the answer is this. Okay, so this is how you will go with the numerical part, and in next lecture we will go with more detailed part of this. We will be doing more numerical part. Okay, so thank you.